$1,770 a month. That is what our army of commission servants pull in for us right now, 100% automatically. Hey, Tom E here, and these genius little AI servants go out onto the internet for us, find people who are ready to buy, talk to them like normal humans, build trust and credibility to win them over, then they casually steer them toward our money links, 100% hands off. We don't do any work. No ads, no budget, no spamming, just a smooth, fully automatic process that up until now has only been possible to run manually by humans. And that's the part that blew our minds the first time we saw it working, because the buyers interacting with our commission servants do not feel like they're entering some kind of funnel or talking to an AI. They think they're just talking to a helpful human online. How can I say that so confidently? Because money talks. And our average of $1,770 monthly tells us everything we need to know. The system works flawlessly, and not just for generating commissions either. Our commission servants will promote anything you wish. An opt-in page, a blog, affiliate link, you name it. Although my partner Max and I prefer to use affiliate links because almost $2,000 monthly, that makes us over $21,000 a year on autopilot. And I don't know about you, but to me, that pays a lot of bills. Now, before you roll your eyes and assume that this is just another use AI to make money course, stop. All right, this has almost nothing to do with the way most people use AI. Our commission servants play an entirely different game. Each one of our digital servants slip into buyer conversations, forums, comment threads, help desks, anywhere people are already hunting answers, starts talking like a real-life natural human, earns their trust, then once it has that trust, it sends them to the money link we entered in the setup. No raised flags, no spam, just pure person-to-person trust that converts. Little digital operators that continuously work for us online. That's why we call them commission servants, because once activated, they don't stop working. They work 24/7 with no expiration date, so that our income grows even bigger over time. Now, you don't need traffic, followers, a website, experience, connections, autoresponder, any of that. And my favorite part is that you never create any content yourself. You simply click to deploy our army of commission servants, and the servants do literally everything else from there. The interaction, the building of trust, and the commission getting while you're off doing whatever you want. It's a beautiful thing, and right now it's working like crazy. So you can either keep chasing traffic like everyone else, or you click once, unleash our army of commission servants, and watch them haul buyers to your money links while you get on with your life. And there's no limit, by the way, to how many commission servants you can launch, okay? We don't put a limit on that. A lot of products would have an upgrade where you got to pay extra. Nope, you can launch as many as you want. It's real simple. Click the buy button below, and when you're in the members area, simply click to deploy our commission servants. Let them do the talking, selling, and money collecting. You handle the celebrating. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside the members area.